Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make a lippan art, and I'm also going to review Fevicryl molded because I'll be using it for the first time. Lippan art is a clay art form from the state of Gujarat, and usually it is made by the villagers to decorate the walls of their houses. Traditionally it is made by using mud and cow dung, but I don't want to do that, so I'm going to use Fevicryl molded. One packet of Fevicryl molded comes with two smaller packets. One is resin and the other is hardener. All you have to do is mix these two together and our clay is ready. On the packet it says that it takes 90 minutes for it to completely dry. The first mistake that I thought I made was I took too long to mix it. So by the time I was ready to use it, it was already kind of hard and it was very difficult for me to shape it as I wanted it to be. I had to throw away most of my clay because it hardened and I wasn't able to shape it. So I mixed two more packets, and this time I made sure that I kneaded it very fast so that I get more time to use it. But then I again faced the same problem. It hardened too fast and I wasn't able to use it. Then I checked the expiry date and it was December 21st and I was using it in November. So clearly it was very close to the expiry date and that's why it was not working. It has already started to dry. So important tip for you, expiry dates are not just for edible items. Do check the expiry dates of your art products. Don't be an ignorant fool like me. By the way, I'm using this rectangular hardboard for the base of my lippan art. Then I started making these long earth foam like thingies with this clay, and then I glued it on my hardboard using Fevibond. I guess you can use Fevicol also, but I prefer Fevibond because it is far more stronger and I just trust it too much. Once I had outlined all my design with clay, I painted it with a layer of white acrylic paint. Then I painted the areas between the clay with some bright acrylic colors. And then I glued some mirrors on it and it looked so lovely. If you are on Instagram, check out Kalavin by Winner. She makes some amazing lippan art and you will definitely get some awesome inspiration from her. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is artwithsonam. painting for my friend. She got married this November. You can also make this for your friends for their wedding or housewarming. This will make an amazing gift. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.